Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my video today we are going to be stuffing cash envelopes. I love this part of budgeting, so if this is your very first time, just know I'm super geeked when I'm stuffing my cash envelopes. I love it. But before we get into it, if you have not subscribed to my channel, stop what you're doing, head on over, hit the subscribe button, and then also hit the notification bell so that you do not miss another video from me. And then also make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get started. So first I want to say that I got some wonderful cash envelopes from my girl Triple M Crafts. Her name is Shamika, and she does have a YouTube channel here on YouTube, and I will definitely put her information down in the description box, and then I'm also going to put her information here. That's my girl. Hey girl, hey. And I love cash envelopes. Like, I'm gonna start making them myself, but before I do that, I'm still gonna also continue to support other creatives, but these cash envelopes that I purchased from her are so cute, and I love these because they have the hole punch on the side. I love them because they're rounded, and then I'm also gonna be able to put them in my little organizer or notebook or whatever you want to call this thing here, this recollections planner that I got from Michael's. So I'm just gonna stick them right on in here. But let's get into the love of these. So this here is a 12-month challenge envelope. I love because it's clear. Look, you can see my hand right through there. So I'm going to be using this envelope for my 12-month challenge. I'm going to be using this envelope for my car registration, and then this envelope for a $1 challenge, which I'm not really doing full on out, but I still save my $1 bills when I feel like it. Now this is a challenge that I'm doing full on out. This is my baby here, the $5 challenge. And then any type of saving projects that I have, like for example right now I have my DIY nail product savings project that I'm saving for, so I'm probably gonna take this out of here and then put it in here. And then here I have hustle money. So this is also money that I received from hustling, because you know I'm a hustler, baby. And then this was a free envelope that she gave me. She is just the sweetest girl. It has the cash breakdown envelope here where you can break this down. You can give it to the teller when you go to the bank, so that when they ask you how do you want your money, you don't even have to say it. And trust me, the tellers love this, okay? LOVE. They love it. They always thank me for having that whenever I go to the bank. So thank you, Shamika. I love it. Let me go ahead and even put it in here so you guys can see how it looks in here. And I love pink. Pink and purple are my favorite colors. So I just put it in here like that and see how it goes. That's so cute. That's cute. So let's go ahead and get started with stuffing my envelopes. I'm gonna bring that back out in a sec. This here is a cash envelope breakdown sheet that I did complete, and if you saw in my last video, I am currently in the process of creating my own planner, my Budget Treasures planner, and this is going to be one of the sheets that will be included in the planner. This is a cash envelope breakdown sheet that I completed home. I transfer the information over to the envelope that I just showed you, like from Shamika, and then I take that to the bank. Okay, all right. Okay. Sorry, Cardi. All right, so let me get my wallet so that I can take the envelopes out from my last paycheck. So we got healthcare here, which has nothing in it, which I must have double dipped. I do that sometime. And then I have my business envelope, which I'm not going to take the money out of there. I have my shopping envelope, and then I have my allowance. So we see in my allowance I have nothing. My shopping envelope, I have 20 bucks left, so this is gonna go into my leftover envelope, which is just leftover money that I have. Business, I'm not going to take this out because I use this money for my business, so I'm just going to be adding to this. This is going to help me with different products and things that I need. So as I'm creating my cash envelopes, I'm going to need vinyl and different things like that. So that's what that is for. And then healthcare, all of the money, I must have used it, some of the stuff for my daughter's birthday. So I did double dip. It's bad. Don't double dip, y'all. Don't be like me, double dipping. All right, so that is all of the money that I had left over. So let's go ahead and get started with our cash. So this is the money that I got out of the bank, and I'm just gonna set it up here. Make sure I'm in frame. We got our $50 bills. We have our $20 bills, and then we have our $10 bills. I did not have any ones, which I should have had ones. I usually get ones for my donations wallet. Not my wallet, my donations envelope. So if I ever need to donate to someone, you know, if I give them like $1 or something like that, I'll have that money. So unfortunately, I didn't get one. So all we have today is 50s, 20s, and 10s. I love using cash, you guys. It really helps me to stay within my budget. It really helps me to make sure that I'm not overspending by using my debit card. Using my debit card just does not work for me. So I just can't do it. I tried it, and it's okay for a while, but just to keep doing it, it's too much balancing that you have to do for me. I don't have time to be balancing money every night, so that's just not for me. Okay, so the very first envelope that we are going to stuff is going to be our business envelope. That envelope is going to get $70. So I'm just going to get a 50 here and a 20 here, and we're going to stuff it. So usually I do have this that I complete. I think today is I don't know what today is. Today is the 17th. So 6, 17, and I'm stuffing it with $70. And I think I used some of this money for my daughter's graduation party also. Y'all, I was double dipping bad. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $103. So that's what we have in here. So all of those festivities are over. So there should be not much double dipping anymore. Okay. And then next is our personal items. So personal would be there. This is $50. So I have two 20s and a 10. Let me see this one. Got a little boo-boo there. So it's time for me to make myself some new envelopes, definitely. And then next is going to be beauty, and my beauty envelope is actually my hair envelope, and this one gets $20. And so I use this just to help me with if I ever need to buy hair or anything to get my hair braided. So I already have 40 in here. Adding this is 60. So we're adding 20, and now we have $60 in here. Moving it on along. And next is going to be car registration, and I use my work envelope for this, but now I do have a car registration envelope which I did get from Shamika. So let's open this so that I can switch the money. So car registration gets $20. So I'm going to take this out of here, put this envelope to the side. Today is the 17th, and so now we have $100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I'm gonna take my little card here, and then we are going to stuff it in here. Oops, I'm wrong. Hold on, let me put that in first. And then let's put the cash in. Come on, baby. All right, look at that. Look how cute that is. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. So I can either put the card in the front or I can put the card in the back. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do it, but right now I'm just gonna put it in the back. So there we go. All right, so then next is going to be medical. That's the healthcare envelope. And so that one gets $10. And this is used for like any medicine or anything. I used to have a health HSA, and the last 2 years I really, the 1 year I lost $1,000, and then the next year I was almost gonna lose $1,000, and I was just tired of losing money, so I stopped doing the HSA. Some people say that you don't lose the money, but for this one, my job, I was in danger of losing money, and I did actually lose money, so I had to stop doing that. And I said I would just rather save the money myself, and so that way if I don't end up using it, that I'm not gonna lose it. I mean, it was so painful to lose $1,000, so I just stopped doing that. Next would be birthdays, and for birthdays it gets 20 bucks. This is if a birthday comes up and if I need a gift or anything. And then next, planner girl. This is for any planner accessories or anything like that that I might want to buy. That gets 20 bucks. Put $20 here. And then next would be donations. So here in the donations, this is where I should have gotten 10 $1 bills. So really, I don't know how I'm gonna use this. I might get change somewhere. Next is gonna be groceries. So groceries is going to get $150. So we're gonna get 7 20s. And then a $10 bill. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50. I'm gonna put this in here. And the groceries envelope, this I will carry with me. And then next is going to be Black Friday. So I don't have a Black Friday envelope, and I am going to purchase one. This is my very first cash envelope that I made myself. Yay, clap everybody. I love it. There's a couple things that I need to, kind of clean up, but this is my envelope, you guys. So I'm gonna be selling cash envelopes myself. I don't know if I'm gonna make them like this. This was kind of just like a tester one. So this one I'm going to use. I just want to see how durable it is, and I just need to, do some testing on it and things like that. So that's, I'm gonna use it this time, and I'm gonna use it for Black Fridays. So if you're wanting to know what Black Fridays are, Black Fridays is just me supporting a Black-owned business every single Friday. I put it on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I encourage you to definitely head on over and follow me there, because I'm just showcasing. It's been a lot of eateries in my community that I have been supporting, but I'm definitely going to venture out as I learn more about different Black businesses, like toiletry companies, coffee companies, all kind of companies, whatever Black business I want to support, planner things, just all that good stuff. I want to make sure that I'm supporting and then letting everyone know. So Black Fridays, that's what it is. Now this particular Black Friday coming up is actually Juneteenth, so I will be supporting more than one black business on this Friday. Don't know which one it's going to be yet, but if you head over to my Instagram, you will definitely be able to see which ones I am supporting, and maybe you can support as well if you'd like to. So this is the last envelope that I am stuffing. Well, no, it's not. So this is that envelope there. So we are done with this. I have a my cash envelope goal is to stay within my envelopes and no double dipping, okay, because I was a double dipper last time. So I'm just gonna put this over to the side, and then we are going to continue to stuff these envelopes. So the $5 challenge, this is if I have any. So I do have a lot. Let's do the 12-month challenge envelopes, because right now I have my $5 savings, the ones from this quarter. I have it in here, and I also need to add more money in here from the virtual savings, or I might just leave it in my savings account. I really don't know what I'm gonna do right now, but I really want to leave this in here because I think it's so cute. And any new $5 bills that I do get, then those are the ones that I'm gonna put in here. But right now, for my $12 saving, I mean my 12-month savings challenge, I was using this miscellaneous envelope because I did not have one specified for that challenge. So I'm gonna put this here. It's already getting kind of thick. Now this money here is the money that I am using for Christmas. So let's see if it's gonna fit. Okay, it does fit nicely in there, but it's a little bulky, so we'll see how we will do that. And I'm gonna put this back here. So there we go. So this is the 12-month challenge envelope here, and then here's my car registration, and then the dollar challenge. I don't really have any dollars right now. Any new dollar bills, I will put it in there. Any new $5 bills, and my savings project that I have right now, I'm just gonna keep this in here, and any new savings project that I have, I'll put it in there. So that is it for me, you guys. If you have any questions on how to successfully start using cash and start using cash envelopes, definitely please drop them down in the drop your questions down in the description box. If you are using cash and you're using cash envelopes, let me know down in the I don't know what I want to say, y'all. Let me know down in the comment section, you know, your experience with using cash. Can you do it? Can you not do it? Some people are like, I cannot use cash. I can't do it. But, you know, let's talk a little bit in the comment section, because I miss talking to you guys. So definitely make sure you leave a comment so we can chat. But thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel and viewing this video. It has been good talking to you. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Make sure that you hit the notification bell, and then also make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Ooh, ooh. All right, y'all. It's time to go. I will talk to you later. Go be great. Peace out.